Today I'm going all the way to our sister country, Nigeria, and making this very simple Gizdodo. So this can be a main meal as well as a side dish. So please stay with me and let's do this together. I'll not be using any fresh tomatoes for this recipe. So I'll start by heating a bit of oil in my pan, and then I'll go in with some minced ginger and garlic, and then I'll add in a bit of curry powder, and then I'll go in with some powdered pepper. Give this a mix for about 2 minutes to release all the aromatics and the flavors into my oil. So, with a traditional Gizdodo recipe that the Nigerians make, they use fresh tomatoes. But in this recipe, I'm not going to be using any of that, okay? I'm using tomato paste, just tomato paste, and I'm going in with some stock from cooking the gizzard I'll be using later. So, just so the video is not too long, I have seasoned and steamed my gizzards and then also went ahead to fry my plantains, which I'll be adding very soon into this very simple Gizdodo recipe. So to ensure the tomato paste isn't tangy, you're going to have to fry this for about 10 minutes to make sure that you're doing the right thing. Okay, so you realize that very soon the sauce or stew would have dried out a little bit. That's when you know you're good to go. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please, you're welcome to subscribe and join this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. So as you can see, I've added my fresh onions and carrots. Because carrots are hard, I'm taking it in first. Okay. I added a bit of water to loosen the sauce up a bit and help soften the carrots also a bit. Okay. So I gave this about 2 to 3 minutes on fire because I didn't want the vegetables to be too soft. Okay. And certainly you can use any vegetables of your choice. Let me take this pause to launch an appeal, okay? If you've not followed me on all the other social media platforms, please do so and let's vibe there as well, okay? I'm trying to grow those other platforms as well. So as you can see, I added in some green bell peppers because that's what I had, okay? You can add the other colors, it's up to you. But I realized the Nigerians themselves don't do too much of the vegetables when they are doing the gizdodo, okay? So yeah, I'm adding my fried gizzards and fried plantains. So because of the stock from the gizzards I added to the sauce, I'm not going to add any extra salt because it was okay for me. But if you taste for salt and there's none in there or there's too little in there, you can always adjust, okay? So at this point, I'll give it a mix for about 3 minutes and then my gizdodo is ready. So I had mine with white rice and some stew on the side. So obviously I had it as a side dish and it was so yummy. It's obviously a meal on its own, okay? So you can try this for your next get together. You can try this for your anniversary, a birthday party, and I'm sure you're going to love it. If you've watched me till this end, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family if you haven't already. And also give me a thumbs up on the video. Leave a comment down below on your way out. And also share the video when you are done watching. And of course, until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.